Tuesday night. Let's get the girls ready for bed. Hi, bud. How you doing, beautiful boy? Oh, look at that stretch. Look at that stretch. Oh, you are enjoying that one, aren't you? This is a different position. He's my boy. So King County is going under another wind advisory tonight till tomorrow. The last couple of them haven't been much, but I got to batten down the hatches a little bit, re-secure his home up there, make sure it doesn't get, hi bud, make sure it doesn't get blown out. Hi ladies, how we doing? You guys okay? They're all hanging out. I got to till them out Saturday. I do it about every third week. I rototill it out. Looks like I could use it a little early. Hi, bud. All right, it's time to scoop the poop. Oh, sorry, buddy. Scoop the poop and gather the eggs. You are in backwards. What are you doing? Back in a second. So this was made to be a walkway to get up here. I learned it's not. It's where they like to sit and roost. They do roost up here, but they sit here, roost, and poop. So what I might end up doing is taking this out and putting just a small bar here. So that way I'm not having to scoop the poop every night, ladies. Wow, you guys didn't eat much dinner. Wow. Hold on, buddy. I'll be out in a minute. Let's get some eggs. Alright, we got 2. We got 3. 5. 6, 7. 8, 9. We're doing better. 10, 11, 12. That's not bad. That's not bad, ladies. Look. You know, I put this up every night, and the few times I've left it down, they've not slept in here, but don't want to start that habit. What I'm trying to say before I got cut off was we don't want to start that habit. You guys want to see something cool? Hey, come here. Come here. Oh, that might have cost me an egg. He lets me pick him up now. He was actually purring and almost asleep in my arms last night. See, look at him. His head's down. He's trusting. You know, he's purring hard. Yeah. As long as I walk slow, he's okay. Yeah. It's my buddy. He's my buddy. I don't know how much that you can see because he's so close to the camera, but he's enjoying it. But yeah, where'd he go? Where'd he go? The thing I think about with Alice is how I couldn't really pick her up. I couldn't really touch her. When I pet her, I had to be on the ready because up until I think it was 2 days before she disappeared, she bit me. Something's weird. Why is the egg basket down there? Did you do that? I'm looking in there and I see this black silhouette. It looks like a frickin' rat. It's the plastic bag I put in to catch the poop. God, that freaked me out. Oh yeah, he's decided to stay in the garage during treat time. I mean, he still gets treats. You just don't get that special petting time that I would normally do. Started looking at barn cats. Probably going to shut this down and get at least 2 or 3 more. Adopt them in. I think that'd be a smart thing, being he's not going to use it. It'd be great for the property. He's kind of mellowed out the last couple of days where, like, when I was going to give him treats last night, he rushed up there, but I'm like, no, I'm not going to do that. So he noticed that and he walked away. Normally he's plotting my death like every waking moment, but the last couple of days he's kind of changed up his attitude. Hey guys, what you doing? Excuse me guys, pardon me. Can I get in here? Almost forgot about the sassy pants. I would have gone back and gotten more. I would have gone back and gotten more for you. You know that. Oh, she's already given up. So the milk thistle, I believe that the milk thistle is the milk thistle and the dandelion root has really helped her. She's not walking as funny. As I'm saying it, she kind of waddled a little bit, but I am noticing that the back end is starting to not swell up as much. And I am an herbalist. I do believe in herbs, so not the ganja herbs. I don't get all high and all that, but I think she's doing a lot better. Let's get some eggs. So in the Skybirch coop, we have Rusty and Rusty Jr. And I'm just noticing that as she's getting older, she's starting to resemble Rusty Jr. with her markings. She used to be all pure red. Maybe she's graying. That's what we call graying for chickens. But she's getting that rusty marks on her back, and I just noticed that. And she could be a rusty senior, or an elder, a rusty elder. That's what she could be. Probably going to be a long video. Sorry. One. We got one. I'll take the... Oh, nope, we got two. There's one in there. We had a night egg. Two. We'll take it. Come out, meathead. Better close that up before he changes his mind. Hey, bud. Yeah, you just need some more floor time. Yeah. We had about a 40-minute session this after I got off work. It was kind of nice just to relax. He doesn't quite climb in the lab, but he kind of does now. But he sits there and purrs. Enjoys it. He's my buddy. So the temperature out in King County is starting to drop down into the 30s. Not 39 at the most, but what that tells me is that all the sprinklers have got to get blown out. Last year they wanted 500 and something dollars, 580 bucks. I ended up spending 400 on a really large air compressor, and it worked really good. So I'll be doing that this year. I'll video it because it's kind of cool. I hook it up to a spigot, and you'll see it's got a little adapter and works really nicely. All right, so I tightened up his sleeping area up there. Should do him some good. If the wind starts whipping up too much, I will let him in. Hey, bud. I mean, I let him in the last 2 mornings and he goes straight for the couch and claws it up. I don't know what to do about that crap, but it is what it is. On that note, I think I'm going to have to give my buddy here a little bit of loving. I'm going to go in and relax. On that note, y'all stay safe. Have an amazing night.